If you need to pause your location on the Life360 app without anybody knowing, I've got a few ways to get it done. So stick close and let's jump in. So to pause the location on Life360, we're going to go not into the app itself, but we're going to go into settings because this is where it needs to happen. So if you're on Android like I am, you want to go ahead and look for data saving, okay? Now, what's going to happen is you'll be redirected here to the section where you can control what sort of data usage is happening in the background. So once this is opened, you'll see right over here, it says data saver is off. Now, there's a few different things that you can do here. The first thing is once you go in here, it says over here, turn on now. So let's go ahead and turn on the data saver, which means that it's going to use less data in the background, which means it'll update your location less frequently. This is another way of doing it. Okay, so you can go ahead. Let's go back out of here and you can see over here it says allow networks for apps. So let's go in here and let's look for the Life360 app. Here it is. And currently mobile data or Wi-Fi is selected. Now, if you are in an area with Wi-Fi, you want to enable mobile data only. And then straight from the top here, you can see there is a mobile data icon, which is this one with the two arrows, one facing up, one facing down. You want to put it off so that it's not highlighted. So this basically means that Life360 will only use mobile data, but if you turn your data off, then it won't have any internet connection. The same as if you're using Wi-Fi. So if you want to put it on Wi-Fi only and then turn your Wi-Fi off, then you won't be able to have the location tracked. Another way of doing this is using a third-party app, and there are many third-party apps that you can use, but one that I enjoy using, it's been very, very helpful for me, is NetGuard. Now, once you go into NetGuard, right at the top on the left, you can just make sure that it is orange, which means it's turned on, and you can go literally look for the Life360 app over here, and there's two icons. There's a Wi-Fi and a mobile data, and you can literally just click them on. And this means that the Wi-Fi network is restricted and the mobile data network is restricted on that specific app, which means you'll still have internet access for any other app you would like to use.